Project Management with Primavera, an advanced scheduling technique. Let's understand the grouping and sorting option in Primavera. Now, to reflect and represent the data, there are a lot of grouping and sorting options. The first simplest way to sort the data is by clicking on the column heading. There will be one arrow which will be representing that currently that column is activated for sorting the data. As currently we can see that activity ID, there is a arrow. Once we click on it, it becomes sorted in ascending order, and if we click again on it, it becomes sorting then in descending order. If we click on the activity name, then it start getting sorted alphabetically in ascending and descending order. So here you can see the changes in the sequence or the changes in the way it is reflecting the data in the main screen. So you can sort the data by clicking on the top of any of the column. Now for the simplicity, we always sort it by activity ID, and hence the activity ID is provided in some gap like 10, 20, so that in between if we want to add some activity, we can add later on. Right now in the default view of the Primavera, the grouping is done by the WBS. So you can see the activities are grouped based on their WBS. So grouping is done by the WBS, but it is not mandatory. You can go to view, and then there will be an option of group and sort by. Once you select this option, you can see by default WBS level 1 will be there. That's mean it is sorted by the grouped by the WBS level. Now you can also change the color representation layout of how the Primavera will sort the activity and group the activity. Now instead of WBS, if you want to group activity by some other category, say by calendar, if you want to group the activity based on the calendar, then you can select the option of calendar in the group by. So if we select the calendar option and apply it, you can see that now activities are grouped by the calendar. So we have two calendar here. One is the sample calendar. So all the activities having sample calendar are grouped in one category, and activities having the MEP calendar is grouped into another category. But the best option to group the activity is to group by the WBS, which make the schedule easy to read and understand. And in this way, we can use the concept of sorting and grouping in Primavera to make the project schedule in Primavera.